Welcome. The situation in Bangladesh is very bad. Efforts were being made to prevent religious riot for a long time. The flag of Bangladesh also insulted. Acid was thrown on the police since the completion of the trial of the person accused of the crime. Hindu groups the Hindu groups have been conducting terrorist position across the country. Hindu groups with the support of India and Bharatiya Janata Party and Awami League are waging violence in Bangladesh like on Manipur. International community should stand by Bangladesh. Ops Hindu terrorism. Terrorism is the major threat to country. So support my Bangladesh.